Hello again, Bush Bulldogs. We're going to talk today again about how to put items into your reader's toolbox. This is another part of our genres of fiction lesson. So we're going to start with the papers you were given by your reading teacher tonight. You should have two. One of them looks like this with realistic fiction and historical fiction, and the other one looks like science fiction and fantasy. So you're going to cut these out again just like you did the ones for the previous lesson. Be sure you leave this extra piece. You don't want to cut it off. So if you want to color these and make them colorful, you should do this now before you start cutting things out. So here are my colored versions, my red and blue and my green and brown. It doesn't matter what color you color them, but you'll notice I left my outside parts uncolored because that's the part we're going to put the glue on. So that's the next step. Make sure we get everything cut out. Okay, so remember we're on page 8. We're right across from page 7. That was our genres of fiction notes. So now on page 8, we're going to take these rectangles that we've made. We're going to layer them because they're going to end up being pockets. So what you're going to do is you're going to lay them down to where they're a little bit on top of each other, okay? So, you need to start with your first pocket and flip it upside down. You can still see the outline of your rectangle. So what you need to do is put a little drop of glue on those rectangle lines. So remember, we said just a dot, not very much. So we're going to put some as we go along around the pockets. Don't put it in the center because we want the top of the pocket to stay open so that we can put our sorting cards that we're going to do in class in them. Okay, so you're going to do that with each one of your pockets. You're going to lay them right on top of each other after you have all the glue. So for my next pocket, you see I have my glue dots on the back, and I'm going to flip it over, and I'm going to kind of line up my lines and put it right on top. This is going to allow me to use each one of these as a pocket, and remember they're not sealed. So you're going to repeat this for all 4 pockets. Okay, so your final product should look like this. You've got 4 little pockets that you've made, and we're going to use these in class tomorrow. So see you tomorrow, Bulldogs. Have a great day.